Hello everyone, my name is Rosette Wizermana. I am back, a shoe trainer, shoemaker at Tandika, Uganda Academy. Today we are going to talk about how to put sizes on your shoes. Last time in our video, we looked at how to come up with your size. How do you measure your size? So right now, once you've gotten your size, what do you do? So that's the video we are going to do right now. Keep watching. So let's assume you've gotten your size and your size is 42. Because a lot of you people call me and ask me which machine can I use to put sizes? What do I use to put sizes? So today we are going to look at how do we put these sizes here? How do you, after getting your size, you've measured, you've got 41, 42, 39, something like that. So how do you come up to 42? So here you're seeing we have 42 here. And you can see like we use the sort of a tool to punch it there. And for this one, we don't have the size there. The same as this one. So I want to show you how do we put those sizes and which materials are suitable for different tools that we use for making sizes. Uh, we are going to look at the videos of the materials later. But for now, like to give us a hint, there are some materials that we can use tools. Like let's say I am punching using this hammer and this size number punch, these ones. As you look at these sizes, this tool or a set, it has different sizes, it's different numbers. It comes from 0 to 9. So if you want to put these sizes here to make this size, you will not get a set that has 42. So what we do, we have 0 to 9, so you get that number corresponding to another one, then you punch it there. So for this case, we have 42. So we have our 4 here and our 2 here. So what I do before I put on the sole, just after cutting my lining and the inner sole, or before putting the inner sole, I have my leather cut. So what I do, I just bring the size I want. Let's say I want 42. I'll bring my 4 here. Then I punch using the hammer. I can't punch on this table, it is soft. So I punch 4. Then I bring the other 2 as well. I also punch my 2 here. It will also be like this. So this one will be the 4 and this one will be the 2. So if we are using a hard board where we can punch from, the size would be here. So just in case you don't have this tool, because whenever I'm talking about shoemakers or sandal makers, mostly I want to address the startups who are starting, and sometimes they don't have capital to buy all these things at once. So for this set, I think it goes around 90,000 Ugandan shillings and above. So in case you don't have this set, or you don't have the money to buy this set, there are other alternatives. We always have the solution to something. So we have this one here. This one, you've seen those price tags they put in supermarkets on the products. So we get this, our sticker, and we come and put it here manually. We come, get our pen and write there 42. If you want it to be there for a longer time, can add gum here. Add gum, then you put it here, and you put your sizes. Because this thing costs like 1,000 or 2,000, it doesn't stop you from naming your sizes. So, and the other thing, on some of the materials, we can't, these size, their tools, they can't be visible, because sometimes we are using synthetic materials. These are the ones, they are not genuine leather. So that's where we use this one. I'm sure you've seen other shoes where they have put that foil stamp, where someone puts the sizes using the foil, the heat. So So that one is also synthetic. You can't use these tools. So in case you're not using genuine leather. Genuine leather means the leather from animals. What you use these ones. If you can't afford the other stamp for the foil, you use these ones. For this one, we used the size set. We use this size punch because this is leather. This one is called belting. This is leather. So that's why we use this one. But if we are going to use this one to this, it would not be effective. In our next video, we are going to see now then how do we brand our shoes? How do we bring, if I want to put my name, if I want to put this, how do we do it? Keep watching. I remain Rosette Wizere from Tandika Uganda Academy. We train women and girls how to make shoes. We are located in Chireka and Namugongo Road. Thank you. John Tarugu Fat.